Hey guys, Tanya here, and today I'm going to give you a quick lesson and teach you new word, and the word is coin. So when used as a noun, it means change, right? Coins. But that's too easy. Let's give you a different meaning of this word. So when this word is used as a verb to coin, it means something different. So you often can hear phrases like coin a word or coin a phrase, coin a term. So it means to invent a new word or phrase.
Oh gosh, that looks like finger-licking fun. That's a term I just coined today. Do you like it?
To use a phrase I coined in the 90s, I'm going in.
You coined that.
For example, Robert Hooke coined the term sell in his book. The word yup, meaning yes, was coined in early 80s.
Yep.
So now let's play a game just for fun. So can you coin a new term or phrase and write it in the comments below? Make sure to give us a definition of this word so we know what it means. So have fun coming up with some nonsense words. Have a great day. See you soon.